Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For this session, I am going to explain you about expressions of agreement and disagreement. How the expressions can be used, what is the function of it, and how is example of them. But before I explain all of them, let me ask you for like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel because your support means a lot to me. Thanks for your kindness. Okay, here we go. Expressions adalah ungkapan dan agreement adalah persetujuan. Jadi, expressions of agreement adalah ungkapan persetujuan. Sedangkan untuk expressions of disagreement adalah ungkapan ketidaksetujuan. Sekarang, mari kita simak contoh dari expressions of agreement. Seperti biasa, kita lakukan drilling agar lancar pronunciation-nya. That's right. That's right. Absolutely. Absolutely. Exactly. Exactly. Me too. Me too. Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. I totally agree. I totally agree. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I see exactly what you mean. I see exactly what you mean. You are right. That's a good point. You are right. That's a good point. Next adalah contoh untuk expressions of disagreement. I don't agree. I don't agree. I totally disagree. I totally disagree. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's not right. That's not right. I'm so sorry, but I have to disagree. I'm so sorry, but I have to disagree. I couldn't agree less. I couldn't agree less. I refuse to believe that. I refuse to believe that. Yang tadi sudah kita praktikkan adalah di mana ketika kita memang betul-betul sangat setuju atau betul-betul sangat tidak setuju. Untuk selanjutnya ada respon kalau kita tidak terlalu setuju. Maka disebutnya dengan tentative agreement. Yuk kita drilling kembali. I agree up to a point, but I agree up to a point, but that's partly true. But that's partly true. But that's not always true. That's not always true. Well, maybe. Well, maybe. Selanjutnya adalah respon di mana kita tidak terlalu tidak setuju atau masih seperti ragu-ragu. Kita sebut dengan indirect disagreement. Yuk kita drilling kembali. I'm not sure I agree. I'm not sure I agree. I wonder if there is a mistake. I wonder if there is a mistake. I may be wrong, but however, I thought. Are you absolutely sure? Are you absolutely sure? Yes, but. Yes, but. Really? Really? Good job, kita sudah drilling dari expressions of complete agreement maupun disagreement dan tentative agreement maupun indirect disagreement. Sekarang mari kita simak bagaimana pengaplikasiannya dalam sebuah dialog. Untuk pemeran pada dialog kali ini ada 3 orang, yaitu Cynthia, Ranti, dan Bella. This movie was released last week. Have you watched it? Yes, I have. Oh, I also watched it yesterday. Really? I've watched it too. What do you guys think? I don't really like it. There are some plot holes which make me upset. I agree with you. When the movie ended, I wasn't satisfied. Yeah, but the acting of actor A really helps. At least I could feel his emotion. I'm not sure about that. I think because actress B is the co-star's, actor A got his confidence. That's true, but his acting is already good since the previous movie. Well, kita sudah menyimak percakapannya. Bagaimana dengan pembahasan dari expressions-nya? Yuk kita simak kembali. Pertama, Sinta membuka topik pembahasan. Dia bilang, "This movie was released last week. Have you watched it?" Film ini dirilis minggu lalu. Apa kamu sudah menontonnya? Lalu Ranti menjawab, "Yes, I have." Ya, sudah. Bella pun menjawab, "Oh, I also watched it yesterday." Oh, aku juga menontonnya kemarin. Pada skenario percakapan di sini, mereka sedang membicarakan tentang sebuah film yang baru saja rilis. Cynthia kembali bertanya, "Really? I've watched it too. What do you guys think? Benarkah? Aku sudah menontonnya juga. Bagaimana menurut kalian?" Ranti menjawab, "I don't really like it." Dia tidak terlalu menyukainya. "There are some plot holes which make me upset." Ada beberapa lubang cerita yang membuatku kecewa. Opini Ranti disambut oleh Cynthia. Cynthia bilang, "I agree with you. Aku setuju denganmu. When the movie ended, I wasn't satisfied." Karena filmnya selesai, aku tidak puas. Jadi, I agree with you yang dikatakan oleh Cynthia adalah ungkapan persetujuan atas opini yang disebut oleh Ranti. Bella ikut memberikan opini. Dia bilang, "Yeah, but the acting of actor A is really helps." Ya, tapi aktingnya aktor A sangat membantu. "At least, I could feel his emotion." Paling tidak, aku bisa merasakan emosinya. Opini Bella disambut oleh Ranti. Ranti bilang, "I'm not sure about that." Aku tidak yakin dengan itu. Maka di sini bisa disebut sebagai indirect disagreement, di mana Ranti tidak terlalu tidak setuju, begitu. Dia memiliki opini sendiri. Setelah Ranti menyampaikan pendapatnya, disambut oleh Cynthia. Cynthia bilang, "That's true." Berarti di situ adalah expressions of completely agreement atau ungkapan persetujuan. Sampai di sini paham tidak bagaimana penggunaan dari tentative agreement atau indirect disagreement dan expressions completely disagreement maupun expressions completely agreement. Untuk lebih mengasah pemahaman tentang tema kali ini, silakan analisa di mana expressions of agreement, disagreement, maupun tipe tentative agreement ataupun indirect agreement dalam percakapan di bawah ini. Pemeran pada percakapan ada Andi, Zaki, dan Sam. "I got this book from my father. It really helps me in math." "Oh, this book? I also have one at home." "Really? I also bought it last week. This is my friend's recommendation." "Yes, my cousin gave it to me last month. It has lots of tips and tricks that help me solve the problem faster." "Yes, absolutely. Let me see it, Andy." "I think this is a great book since some of mine are difficult to understand." "You're right. It is better than the book I borrowed from our school library." "I don't think so. I've learned almost all chapters of the book from the library. The content is almost the same." "You could be right. The content is almost all the same. But there are some tips and tricks that are very helpful." "Yes, I agree with Andy. Maybe because I also prefer the language style in this book, so the one from the library isn't really interesting." "Oh, I see. I just skim it. So, I drew quick conclusion. Okay, good luck for the exercise. Well, finally we have done for this session. Semoga bermanfaat. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.